Did you know 54 million people in the United States alone are currently living with joint pain or arthritis? That's 1 in every 4 adults. And if you're over the age of 40, the chances are very high that you're already feeling it. The stiffness when you get out of bed in the morning, the ache in your knees as you climb the stairs, the pain in your hands gripping a coffee cup, the shoulder that just won't loosen up no matter how much you stretch. Most people accept this as just a normal part of getting older. They reach for ibuprofen, paracetamol, or stronger anti-inflammatory drugs day after day, year after year. But here's what your doctor probably hasn't told you. Long-term use of NSAIDs, that's drugs like ibuprofen, naproxen, and diclofenac, significantly increases your risk of kidney damage, stomach ulcers, internal bleeding, and even heart attacks. The longer you take them, the bigger the risk becomes. But here's the good news. There are natural, science-backed supplements that can genuinely reduce joint pain, calm inflammation at the source, and even help repair damaged cartilage without the dangerous side effects of long-term painkiller use. I am Dr. Wells, and welcome to Health is Your Wealth. It's important to understand why joint pain becomes such a common experience after 40, because the right supplements directly address the underlying mechanisms. Inside your joints, there's a remarkable system. Your bones are cushioned by cartilage, a smooth, rubbery tissue that absorbs shock and allows your joints to glide effortlessly. Surrounding that cartilage is synovial fluid, a thick, lubricating liquid that nourishes the joint and reduces friction. After 40, several things start to happen simultaneously. Your body produces less collagen, the protein that maintains cartilage strength and flexibility. Your natural production of glucosamine and chondroitin, the building blocks of cartilage, declines significantly. Cumulative wear and tear over decades begins to break down cartilage, and chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body intensifies the pain. The result? Joints that hurt, stiffen, swell, and slowly lose their range of motion. This is the foundation of osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis affecting roughly 1 in 6 adults globally, according to the World Health Organization. The right supplements can directly target every single one of these mechanisms. The first and most powerful natural supplement for joint pain is turmeric, specifically the active compound within it called curcumin. Turmeric is the bright yellow spice you see in curry, and it's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. But what's exciting is that modern science has now caught up, and the research on curcumin for joint pain is genuinely impressive. A major systematic review and network meta-analysis published in 2025, which analyzed 17 randomized controlled trials, found that all turmeric preparations significantly reduced pain in patients with knee osteoarthritis. Another peer-reviewed meta-analysis confirmed that turmeric and curcumin extract were not inferior to NSAIDs like ibuprofen for reducing knee osteoarthritis pain, and showed significantly fewer gastrointestinal side effects. How does it work? Curcumin is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It blocks specific inflammatory enzymes called COX-2 and inflammatory cytokines that drive joint pain and damage at a cellular level. Dosage: 500 milligrams of curcumin extract twice daily with a meal that contains some healthy fats. Allow 6 to 12 weeks to feel the full benefit. The second supplement is one we've already covered on this channel for a different reason: omega-3 fatty acids. But the evidence for joint pain is genuinely outstanding. Omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA found in fish oil, are some of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories available. A meta-analysis published by the Arthritis Foundation found that fish oil significantly decreased joint tenderness and stiffness in patients with rheumatoid arthritis, and in many cases reduced or eliminated their need for NSAIDs entirely. For people with osteoarthritis, omega-3s help calm chronic inflammation throughout the body, reducing pain, improving mobility, and protecting cartilage from further damage. The added bonus? Everything else omega-3 does, supporting brain health, heart health, eye health, and reducing systemic inflammation, comes along for the ride. Dosage: aim for at least 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day. Look for a high-quality fish oil that's been third-party tested for purity with minimal mercury content. The third supplement is the most well-known joint health pairing, Glucosamine and chondroitin. These two compounds work brilliantly together, which is why they're almost always sold combined. Both glucosamine and chondroitin are natural components of cartilage, the tissue that cushions your joints. Supplementation provides the raw building blocks the body needs to maintain and repair cartilage. Multiple clinical studies have shown that glucosamine and chondroitin can reduce joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis. Chondroitin specifically has been shown to slow the progression of osteoarthritis by limiting the narrowing of joint space, and millions of people report significant relief from this combination. Dosage: 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine sulfate and 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin sulfate per day. You'll typically need to take this consistently for at least 8 to 12 weeks before judging the results. The fourth supplement is one that's been gaining serious scientific support over the past few years: collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and the main structural component of cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and bone. After the age of 25, your natural collagen production starts declining. By the time you're 60, you're producing roughly half of what you did in your 20s. That decline is a major factor in joint deterioration. A 2020 meta-analysis of 41 studies found that collagen supplementation helped reduce joint pain and improved cartilage repair across all the doses and types studied. A more recent 2025 analysis published in the Annals of Medicine reviewed 12 studies on undenatured type 2 collagen and reported improvements across every single study. Type 2 collagen is the type specifically found in cartilage, and it's the form most studied for joint health. Dosage: 10 to 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides per day, or 40 milligrams of undenatured type 2 collagen daily. Collagen pairs especially well with vitamin C, which the body needs to actually produce and use collagen effectively. The fifth supplement is one most people have never heard of, but the evidence is impressive: Boswellia serrata, also known as Indian frankincense. Boswellia is a tree native to India, North Africa, and the Middle East. The resin extracted from its bark contains powerful active compounds called boswellic acids, which have been clinically shown to block specific inflammatory pathways, reduce pain, and protect cartilage from breakdown. Research published in BMC Complementary Medicine confirmed that Boswellia serrata extract significantly reduces inflammation and arthritis symptoms, easing pain, reducing stiffness, and improving joint function in people with osteoarthritis. Boswellia has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and has an excellent safety profile. Dosage: 300 to 500 milligrams of standardized Boswellia extract 2 to 3 times daily. Supplements are powerful, but they work best when combined with the right lifestyle approach. Here are the key habits that genuinely make a difference for joint pain. Stay active. Movement is medicine for joints. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, cycling, and yoga maintain joint mobility, strengthen the muscles that support your joints, and reduce stiffness. Maintain a healthy weight. Every pound of body weight puts roughly 4 pounds of pressure on your knees. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly reduce joint pain. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Reduce processed foods, refined sugar, and seed oils. Increase oily fish, leafy greens, berries, nuts, olive oil, and turmeric. Stay hydrated. Synovial fluid is mostly water. Dehydration directly affects joint lubrication, and get good sleep. As we covered last week, poor sleep dramatically increases inflammation throughout the body, including in your joints. So let's bring everything together. If you're struggling with joint pain or arthritis, the 5 most evidence-based natural supplements are turmeric and curcumin for powerful natural anti-inflammatory action, omega-3 fish oil for systemic inflammation reduction, glucosamine and chondroitin for cartilage support and protection, collagen for rebuilding the structural matrix of joints, and Boswellia serrata for unique anti-inflammatory action. Give every supplement at least 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use before judging the results. These work cumulatively. As always, if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications, particularly blood thinners, please consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Turmeric and omega-3 can both have mild blood thinning effects. If this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health is Your Wealth for a new health education video every Sunday. And drop a comment below. What is your biggest joint pain struggle? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, your health truly is your greatest wealth. Take care of it.